Welcome to my overview of LaSalleMart's component structure. This is Bob Bloom from Toronto, Canada. LaSalleMart is my Joomla e-commerce technology built from scratch using the Joomla 3 series and the superb Akiba framework. This introductory screencast is one of many that I am producing today, May 1st, 2014. You know, when I was using other accessories, I said one day, if I ever, and I never thought I would, but if I ever do my own, I really want to use multiple components. And I want to use components principally and not develop too much in plugins, because component is where the cream of the Joomla development, is done, where the full power of Joomla can really be brought to bear. Of course, the framework is designed for component development. So I ended up doing my own e-commerce, and I succeeded in creating multiple components that talk to each other. That's why you see a listing here of LM3 components. A technical problem was the database. Each component typically installs its own database. However, to have a unified database, I created a flagship structure. The flagship has to be installed first and uninstalled last, because if you want to install anywhere else, you get rid of the database, which is a big problem. Could really ruin your day. So that's why you have a listing in the managed. And the way I have it structured is you cannot delete the flagship before others, and you have to install the flagship first. You get a message. When you traverse, it's a bit much all these components to traverse. I've tried to get them so that it's not that painful. It's just clicking icon and icon, but you're going from component to component. And so I've tried to make that as easy as possible. So it has multiple components, very thin plugins. The plugins themselves have very thin programming. There's no views, because all the views go to the component. Without getting into the specifics, this is the component structure. You can read more on my blog, and I have monthly podcasts. Thank you very much for watching.